Managing customers, sales, and follow-ups doesn't have to be complicated. Welcome to CalSoft CRM, your complete business growth partner. Navigate to calsoftgroup.com. Track every lead in one place. With CalSoft CRM, click on Lead. You can add leads manually, import them, and export them. Filter the data. This is the lead overview page. Send smart emails with auto-filled customer details. Click on Email. Create professional templates and automate follow-ups with just a few clicks. Reach multiple customers instantly. Select the leads to send bulk emails. Select the template and click Save. View every interaction in one timeline. Know when your customer opens emails and replies. Manage your deals through a clear sales pipeline. Click on Deals. Track values, owners, and closing probability in real time. Create and manage automated email workflows. Click on Sequences. Build a sequence in just a few clicks. Click on Add Sequences. Enter the data and save. Add multiple steps. Click on Add Steps. Select the email type, set time delays, and choose email templates for each follow-up. Click Send. Activate the steps. Enroll leads instantly from your CRM. Let CalSoft handle the follow-ups while your team focuses on closing. Click on Save. Email sequences, smarter follow-ups, better conversions. Activity and follow-up tracker. Open any lead. Click on Call icon to make a call. Click on the task to make the follow-up. Click on Meeting to schedule the meeting. Click on Activities and you can see the lead activities. Generate invoices and collect payments easily. Click on Invoice or Quotation. Enter the data you can download, preview, and print. Custom Step. Manage all your contacts in one place. Click on Contacts. View complete customer profiles. Link contacts to deals. Power your CRM with integrations. Click on Insert Link. Integrate Gmail, Calendar, WhatsApp bot, and Wix, etc. all in one system. Your business, all in one dashboard. Real-time reports, clear insights, smarter decisions.